and welcome to One Man's Collection, and my name is Brett. Today we're going through the Ferrari magazine collection. This is magazine number 8, the Ferrari F2008, as driven by Felipe Massa in this particular incident. Now we do have a 143 scale die-cast car here. I am going to pop it aside and we'll come and have a closer look at that towards the end. I am going to go quickly through the magazine. I'm not going to stop at all of this, but I am going to show you what you get. So in this particular one, we get the inside. This issue is the competition models, the 512S. There's this guy here, which I think I do have a model of those. I have to go and check. Single seaters, Massa's Masterpiece, Grand Tourer Nostalgia, the 550 Maranello, and the F2008 Constructors Champion. So the 512S, beautiful looking cars, these ones. Short tail, photographed during the endurance race for historic cars. 5-litre model from Maranello, was especially designed in the 1970 Sports Car World Championship. Beautiful. Not going to go through it all in high detail. Have seen videos of these racing around the track. V12 sounds absolutely brilliant. 5-litre. 550 brake horsepower at 8,500. Wow. 25 of them built. Very nice. A succession of podium finishes. Unfortunately, Ferrari, the victory at Sebring in Florida was the last victory by the 512S, which subsequently had to make do with a series of place finishes. There you go. Over to the F2008. In a bid to fend off the aggressive McLaren, Ferrari prepared a single-seater for 2008 that featured significant technical developments, lined up with a team of the brilliant Brazilian in his third year at Ferrari alongside the reigning world champion. That would be Raikkonen. We do have the Felipe Massa vehicle here. Mine, though, is the darker red colour, and I will show that in more detail. Darker red than what seems to be in here. Almost a blood red or a maroon red. And you can compare it with what's on the tail as well, because the tail was actually, the side of the rear wing was quite bright red in comparison. Not going to go through this in detail. You can pause and have a look if you want to read in more detail. We do get a pull-out poster here. I haven't pulled any of these out, as I say in each magazine. I'm not going to do that, don't have the room. 8-cylinder heart, excuse me. The 90-degree V8 bore and stroke was not known, must have been a secret. 2.398 cc. Compression ratio, not known, again, secret. Maximum power, not known. Well, there you go. So they're keeping it very secret. Maximum speed, not known. Wow. Weight, unladen to 605 kilo. All the dimensions and everything, not known. Well, not known by the magazine, maybe. Known by those who had to check that these things were legit, probably. Now, very red looking, standard coloured red here, but not the one I have there. So the results was Raikkonen 8th in Australia, Raikkonen 1st in Malaysia, Bahrain, Massa 1st, Raikkonen 2nd, Spanish, Raikkonen 1st, Massa 2nd, Turkish, Massa 1st, Raikkonen 3rd, Monaco, Massa 3rd, Canadian, Massa 5th, French, Massa 1st, Raikkonen 2nd, British, Raikkonen 4th, German, Massa 3rd, Raikkonen 6th, Hungarian, Raikkonen 3rd, European, Valencia, Massa 1st, Belgian, Massa 1st, Italian, Massa 6th, Japanese, Massa 3rd, Chinese, Massa 2nd, Raikkonen 3rd, Brazilian, Massa 1st, Raikkonen 3rd. Wasn't that where Wasn't it where this is the race where the McLaren of Hamilton won the championship by the final race, final corners, outscoring enough points, I think is what happened. Somebody else let him pass and he won. It was apparent in 2007 that the rising star of Formula One was Lewis Hamilton, the explosive young Mercedes driver, whose first year of F1 contention of the Drivers' Championship. Right up to the last race, the Englishman won the first round in 2008, and the Ferrari were, yep, I think it was. Wasn't there some sort of issue with that? Yep. He led the race with Hamilton in sixth, but the 2 corners before the end, the English driver dramatically overtook Glock to gain a decisive point he needed to secure the first Drivers' Championship. Though Massa was heartbroken, he would partly be consoled with the fact that he had helped Ferrari win the Constructors. Yeah, I don't know. There was lots of speculation that it was deliberate or something. I don't know. That's just all history now. Beautiful. 550. Strong visual link between the 550 Maranello and the other Pininfarina designs of the 365 GTB4 Daytona. Nevertheless, the 28 years separating the two models was reflected in significant differences in aerodynamic profiles of the cars. Nice. I do have a Model 1 of those too. Alright, quality ride and luxury trim. Very nice. Engine is a 65-degree V12 and a 485 brake horsepower at 7,000 RPM. Numbers produced? Not known. Okay. Coming in part 9, your Ferrari F50 model in a yellow 1995 F50. Very nice. Alright, let's put that aside. Have a quick look at the car. In closer detail, you can see that the red is the darker red, except for that rear fin tail with the AMD Bridgestone on it, and the Alice and Shell V-Power. Got some decent decals there. Looks like I've got a hair there as well. Acer. Can't even read the other ones down in there. Need more light. Painted on seat belts in the seat, but they actually look okay. We've got Bridgestone Potenza tyres, very nice. I think that's actually a print on the wheel. So the actual wheel is printed that shape. Not actually cast, it's actually the inside is a print as well. Etihad on the rear. Same on the other side. Have a cool look at this. In the front with the aerodynamics. Underneath just says Ferrari F2008. I'm going to put that on the display table and we will get a closer look at that on the turntable. Thank you for watching. A like, comment, subscribe. Weekly videos on my Ferrari mags and the other magazines that I'm showing off at the moment with their 143 scales. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.